friends, my name is Miss Amber. I'm a children's librarian with the Warren-Trumbull County Public Library System. I have a craft for us to do today. Now, it is very simple. It will not take very long, but I promise it will be lots of fun. And hopefully you have all of these things at home already. So first you're going to need a paper cup. You're going to need a piece of clear tape. And you're going to need some markers. Now, I'm going to be using some dry erase markers today. You could try using regular washable markers for this activity. However, I think that the dry erase marker leaves more color on the tape because we're going to be coloring on the tape today. But you can try it with the watercolor. You just might have to put a couple layers on if you're coloring. All right, so first things first, with our paper cup, you're going to need some grown-up hands to help. Grown-ups, we're going to cut the bottom of the cup here. I just use an X-Acto knife, plus cut it out. You can use scissors, whatever you have, just be careful. And then the next step is we're going to take our piece of tape and we're going to cover the bottom of the cup. And you're going to make sure that the tape is secure to the cup there. And right at the bottom, you'll have a little canvas area here that you're going to color a picture. Now, I'm going to color on mine a little turtle. So here we go. Now, you're going to want to keep it simple. So if you want to just draw a stick figure, that's fine. You want to start off simple, you draw a heart, that's fine. Now, Miss Amber is a librarian, not an artist. Remember this for whenever you see my turtle, but I like to say that everybody's art is beautiful, so I'm not too worried. All right, I used green for my turtle, and I'm going to come back and I'm going to draw an outline with my black marker here. So we can see he's got a little smiley face. Okay. And there you have it. Okay, so you can draw however detailed you want of a picture. Can you see my little turtle here? There he is. Okay, so this is all that you do for the craft. You're done, except for there's more. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to turn the lights off in this room, and I'm going to use my cell phone as a flashlight. And what we're going to do with this picture is we're going to project it onto the wall. Now, if you've ever been to the Cortland Library for one of my programs, I'm in the storytime room. So we have these beautiful windows. And even with the curtains closed, it's still pretty bright in here. But I'm going to shut the lights off to make it a little darker so that you can see a little bit better what the final look of this is going to be. So I'll be right back while I turn off the lights. Right, everyone, I've turned off the lights, and I know that makes the video a little more grainy, but it does make the picture show up a little bit better than I'm about to show you. So we take our cup with our picture, we take our flashlight, and we shine it on the wall. Now look at that. I have a little turtle on the wall. So you can pull it further away, and it makes your picture bigger. Or you can move it closer to the wall, and your picture becomes clearer but smaller. Hard to see in the video, but that's what it does. You pull it away, it projects and it gets bigger and stretched out. And if you move it closer, it becomes a little more clear. So with this activity, you could have 2 cups and 2 flashlights, and you could tell the story of a tortoise and the hare. If you have a large family, you could have 3 cups and you could tell the story of the 3 little pigs and the big bad wolf. You could make your own story up with your own characters, and you can put a whole show right on the wall. So that is our fun little craft that we have for today. I hope you enjoy, and please, if you stop in the library, let one of us know if you tried it at home. Have a good day. See you at the library soon.